early 90s in Lufkin, Texas. It was an owner-operator fleet, separate from our parent company, Louisiana Pacific, and operated under that model up till 2007 when we moved our corporate office from Lufkin, Texas to Nashville, Tennessee. Currently now we have our corporate office in Nashville with terminals in Jasper, Texas, Rocksville, North Carolina, and Huntsville, Alabama. Our core values in Waverly Transportation have and has always been safety, service, and integrity, and we practice that every day, safety being number one. We want all of our owner-operators to be successful. We also want them to be safe. We want them to return to their families every night, every day, every week.
Sense of family. It's been kind of a motto that we've been hearing over and over again, but that is a huge thing with NWT. From the operations group, we're a very tight-knit clan, to the drivers.
I wouldn't have been here this long if I didn't, think that they had my best interest at heart. The main thing for me is just not being forced to take loads that I don't want or that I don't think are profitable. Finding ways to make it work for us and keep us as home as often as we want to, and something like that. Just very low stress environment.
Over the years, we've seen many changes in the transportation industry. We've seen drivers change, equipment change, customer change. One thing with New Waverly Transportation is always will remain the same, is we put our drivers first. We want our drivers to be successful. We'll do everything we can to give you the tools to make you successful. You have to take those tools and use them correctly.
So it's a unique relationship that we have with them. We make sure that they're safe, that they're doing things safely, that they're doing what they're supposed to do by the company standards, but there's a huge friendship relationship in all of that as well. And that's really what we're here for as field managers. We're here to just be the go-between, and when they have a problem, they have an issue with the company, we try to soften it up and make it as easy as we can for them to get through.
One of the great things we've had quite a few women owners that have been in our fleet over the last few years. We are proud members of the Women in Trucking organization that promotes women in the trucking industry in all aspects of the trucking industry.
They'll never leave you stranded. They always have, you carry comm data checks, so if you're broke down in case of an emergency, they're just one phone call away.
One of the challenges is to grow in this field, like flatbed division. They support me a lot. I had a challenge because I was not familiar very well with a lot of experience, and through the years I felt the support by guiding me the right way. And I'm still here today with them. If it wasn't for that, I don't think I would have survived for that long, but they helped me a lot.
What I can say that for me, it's just been a great opportunity for anybody that thinks they want to go in the trucking business, owner-operator. I would recommend to try New Waverly. New Waverly is a good company to be with, and it's been good to me for 25 years, man, and I can't ask for no more than that.
First of all, it's the staff. Everybody's real nice to deal with. There's no issues. Fuel discounts are great, the rates are great. It's just an easy flowing system. If your truck goes down, then they understand completely. They're not rushing you to hurry up and get done so we can get the load. It's just get your truck fixed and we'll get back on the road. As simple as that.
I've been very pleased with NWT since the day I came here. Walked me through orientation and did a great job, and I've had no complaints.
I would say just knowing that I'm there to help the drivers, is to be an advocate for the drivers, to work with them, to keep them making money, so they can take care of their family.
There's no bias on any side, whether it's a woman driver, whether it's a driver with another background, ethnicity. We give equal opportunity to everybody. There's no distinction between who you are, what you look like. It's all about how you can get the job done. Safety record is number one to us. And if you're willing to work and you're willing to be safe and you're willing to get the job done, that's all that matters to us.